My name is Carolyn Sainer, and I'm the principal at Hoover Elementary. The Hoover staff are committed to preparing our students to thrive in a global society. We believe that excellence is a journey, not a destination, so the Hoover way is to be better tomorrow than we are today. To help us achieve our goals, at Hoover Elementary, we are implementing a new system this year called High Reliability Schools. High Reliability Schools is a framework that supports fulfilling our vision of equitable outcomes for all students. It gives us a common language to name what we're doing, assess our current reality, align our initiatives, and determine where to go next. It is a vehicle that allows us to balance shared responsibility and autonomy to make decisions that best meet the needs of all our students. All of our Hawks are ready to get this work started this year.